Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, cannot see other computers on network in Windows 10. Type services in Windows search bar. Click services. Double-click to open, Function Discovery Provider Host. Change Startup Type to Automatic. Start Service. Apply, OK. Double-click to open, Function Discovery Resource Publication. Change Startup Type to Automatic. Start service. Apply, OK. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click Windows Features turn on or off. Click and expand SMB 1.0. Select SMP 1.0 CIFS Client. Click OK. Click Restart now to restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.